Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for the break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, a beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, weightless, or maybe I'll find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark hotel room and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reveries. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
You're so tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting, you keep on building the life that you make up for all that you lack.
Don't make no difference escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness
Josh Groban, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming.